guys, what's up? It's Carly. I am vlogging today. It's Friday. It's my day off, which is my favorite day. And I just made a green smoothie, just got back from the gym, hence why I'm kind of sweaty. I'm gonna fall over. I am in a hurry. I have to leave in 20 minutes. I'm going to get a facial. And I just want to take you guys with me. This will be a weekend vlog. I hope you like it. And yeah, gonna go get ready for my facial. I'm here with Helen and I'm getting a facial. It feels amazing so far. She's been so great. And yeah, she's just extracting, right? That's what it's called, extracting. Yes. And then what else have we done?
Well, we've cleansed, we've scrubbed, we've steamed. Now we're extracting. Excuse me. And then putting a little antiseptic is
antiseptic. Right. Put a little antiseptic
to heal
on
those
them.
up so that they heal more quickly.
Yeah.
And
my skin already looks so much, it's so clear already.
So much,
wow.
Yeah, you can feel how smooth it is.
I don't even want to put my dirty, germy hands on it. But yeah, she's been amazing and I'm so excited for how it's going to look in the end.
As soon as we finish this, we're going to be doing a lovely massage.
The best part.
You know, spots on your forehead from where I extracted, and you know, here on your neck, a few on your cheeks. Quite frankly, you'll heal pretty nicely.
Yay.
These may take a little longer to heal up the spots on your forehead. A formula that I mixed up that is for acneic skin. And I wouldn't say that you have full-out acne, but you have a lot of congestion.
I'm back for my facial and she did so many extractions. Like, I didn't think there were that many spots on my face. Obviously they're really red because I just finished. She took out so much stuff, so my face feels super clean. I haven't touched it yet because I just don't want to put my dirty hands on it. But there's my very red forehead. And I had a bunch on my neck too. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like in a couple of days. I'm gonna make some cookies right now. Nothing about this is glamorous, like I'm just going for it, but here's all the ingredients. I have chocolate chips. I'm gonna use up the rest of this and then I'm gonna open this bag of Lily's chocolate. So this chocolate is stevia sweetened, so there's no dairy or anything, so it's vegan and stevia sweetened. It's dark chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna add cacao powder, organic coconut sugar, 1 egg, some butter, and I like this Kerrygold kind, and pure vanilla, and then almond flour. And I'm not vegan, by the way, but I just like that these are vegan because obviously not vegan, not vegan. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some cookies and I'm so excited because I used to make these cookies a ton last summer and I haven't made them in a while. So I'm really excited to give them a try. And my face is kind of like calming down. It was so red this morning. I honestly am surprised how many like blackheads and stuff she pulled out, but can't wait for what it's gonna look like in a couple of days. So I'll keep you guys updated on the facial. I just added all the wet ingredients, but look how good this is. I love these cookies. They're so delish. I'll leave the recipe in the description below in case you want to try these cookies out. I would totally recommend them, and there's no sugar in them besides coconut sugars. Here are my cookies. I'm gonna stick them in the oven and they only bake for like 9 minutes, but I like to under bake them so that they're nice and soft. Okay, you guys, my cookies are done. I already ate 2. They're so good. I'm so happy with them. And then I actually steamed some moon milk, and I'll kind of I'll do a video on this later. But yeah, so this is moon milk and I made it with butterfly pea powder, and it's just pretty much steamed milk that's blue, and it has some health benefits. It's good for you. And then I have my yummy cookies. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday today. I don't even remember what I wore yesterday, but I feel like it was the same shirt and hat. Oh well. I just made a green smoothie. I make this every single morning, and I just went on a walk. I went on like a 1 mile, 20-minute walk or something. Listened to a podcast. I'm having a really good morning. I think I'm gonna head to Whole Foods. I'm out of my favorite bread and I wanna go get it. So I think I'm gonna run to Whole Foods, get my favorite bread. My face is looking a lot better. than yesterday. It's not as red. There's still some red spots. I just have sunscreen on for the day. I just got back from Whole Foods and I just want to show you guys what I got. So I got these vegan white cheddar chickpea puffs. They're kind of like vegan Cheetos. I got this cookie dough, so it's gluten-free, vegan, grain-free. I thought this was the cutest bottle, and it's sparkling herbal tonic, detox ginger. So it's ginger, cinnamon, dandelion root, and burdock root, which I've never heard of. But mostly I just think the bottle's so stinking cute, and like I can reuse it when I'm done and put cute little wildflowers in it or something. So I thought that was adorable. I love these. If you've never heard of these, they're only 3 grams of sugar, and there's one pack is only 80 calories, and they're just really, they taste like, they don't really taste like Swedish fish, but they definitely are delicious. And then the gluten-free brown rice bread. And then I know I'm on a spending freeze, but I think we can all agree that body wash is important. So at my facial yesterday, she recommended this essential oils brand for body wash. So I got the rose and lemon flavor, or scent, not the flavor. So yeah, that's my little grocery haul today. We're at the pool right now. It's really warm. How hot is it out here? It's like 100 or something. And I got this yummy drink. It's Sunwink Sparkling Herbal Tonic. I got it from Whole Foods. I showed it in my little haul I just did. But I feel like it's so glamorous just sitting by the pool with my drink.